Welcome to our second tutorial. How to make city map coasters. Perfect for small gift ideas. Easy to make and could be very profitable. For the software we'll use the same as used in the previous video, Illustrator, QGIS and Lightburn. If you want to know where to find the software or how to install, please look at my previous video. Now let's get to it. Open up QGIS. Click on OpenStreetMap at menu on the left. You can find it under the drop-down menu by XYZ tiles. Scroll onto the city that you want used to make your coasters. In our case it would be the beautiful city of Kortrijk in Belgium. Zoom into what works for you. Then center it as you want. Now click on the green Quick OSM magnifying glass. In the key area we type a highway, we only need roads for this design. Make sure you change init at the canvas extent. Run the query. Now at the Layers menu at the left, you only need the lines. So every other shape can be deleted. Now let's export by clicking Project, Export, Export Map as PDF. Make sure you change the width to the same amount of pixels as the height. Name as you like and click Save. Now open up Illustrator and open up the map we just saved. At the right bottom layer menu, add a layer by clicking the new layer icon and rename the layers. The base layer named Map and our new layer Circle. Now with the circle layer selected, draw a circle by selecting the ellipse tool. Now hold Shift, click and drag down. At the top menu, change the background to none and the outline to black. Now select both layers by clicking the circle on next to the layer. And Shift-click the other. Change the background color to none and the lines to black. In our case we'll change the width to 4. Now duplicate the circle layer by click and dragging the layer to the new layer icon on the bottom right. Select the circle layer. Shift-click the maps layer. With both layers selected, right-click the map and select Make Clipping Mask. Make a layer and place it below the circle copy layer. Rename the layer to Name. Select the rectangle tool at the tool menu on the left and draw a rectangle where you want the name to be. Change the background to fill and the line to none. Select the black arrow at the Tools menu to place the rectangle to your desired placement. Change the color to white by double-clicking the color square on the left. Take the writing tool and type the name of the city anywhere you want. With the white arrow you can resize the text, drag it into our rectangle and change the text to bold. With the arrow keys on the keyboard you can replace this to the middle of the rectangle. Now export the file by clicking File, Export, and select PNG as file type. Save it where you want. Now open up Lightburn and drag our PNG into Lightburn. Once imported, right-click and select Trace Image. Make sure all our design's layers are outlined by purple lines. Click the slider, Delete Image after Trace and click OK. Draw a circle with the Circle tool, found in the Tools menu on the left. Make sure the lock is enabled if you resize the circle. In our case we'll resize the circle to 100 mm. Change the map circle to a fill a layer of choice. I prefer brown. Speed 350, power 35. Rename the layers to Outline and to Streets. Make sure the outline layer is below the streets layer and set to power 80, speed to 18. These settings are for a 80-watt CO2 laser. Please adjust to what works for you. Drag the streets into the outline. Drag both layers to a corner and copy-paste till you have the amount of coasters you want. In our case, 6. Press Start. For this design I use 3 mm white plywood. We don't need to sand this design. Some alcohol and a rag would do the trick. I have made a Patreon with a lot of extra designs on it. A lot of them will be free. So please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.